everyone. My name is John Patrick Citernora from BSIS 1C. Number 1. Which a language close to the machine code? The answer is letter C, assembly. Because assembly language is close to the machine code, among the option list is it is a low-level programming language as the one-to-one corresponds of the machine instruction making specific computers in architecture. Number 2. Which translate high-level code in machine code? Answer is letter B. Compiling is the compiler translate high-level programming code like Control C. Java execute is the machine code binary that a computers that processor can execute. Number 3. What does IDE stand for? The answer is letter B. Integrate Develop Environment, and IDE is the software application that provide comprehensive tools of software development. Number 4. Which is an example of high-level language? And the answer is letter B, Java. Java is a high-level programming language designed to say for humans to read, write, and abstract away most hardware details. Number 5. Java is, the answer is letter B. Platform independent Java, platform independent, which means you can write Java code once run in anywhere and has the Java virtual machine JVM and concept the anywhere. Number 6. The process of writer computer instruction is called blank. The answer is programming. Programming is the act of writer instruction in code that the computer can understand and execute in involve using programming language like Java, Python, or Control C to create software. Number 7. Java compiler file name. The answer is Java. Java stands for Java compiler. It's the command line tools used to compile Java course and code files, the Python of Java virtual machine JVM and execute. Number 8. Blank execute code line by line. The answer interpret and uninterpret reads and execute code and line at the time reader in the compiling whole program at the one this different from the compiler which translate the code in the machine language before running it. Number 9. Blank language uses mnemonics to the present machine code. The answer is assembly. Assembly language is the low-level programming language that they use mnemonics short. Human or variable instruction from to represent machine-level instruction is the closer hardware and high-level language like Java or Python. Number 10. In Java, statements end which a blank. The answer is semicolon. In Java, its statement a complete instruction. Most of the semicolon to tell compiler which instruction and the next begins. This help Java first of the equally avoid syntax and errors. Number 11. Machine language ECUs OS and 1S. Answer is true. Machine language is lowest level programming language and consists entirely in binary code. OS and 1S which the computer CPU indirectly execute. Java programming can only run in Windows. The answer is false. Java in platform independent thanks to the virtual machine JVM. Java programming can control Windows, MacOS, Linux, and other platform. Number 13. A compiler translate code before execution. The answer is true. Compiler like Java is convert the entire course code in the machine code and by the code before a programming runs. This is different from the interpreter and translate code will its run. Number 14. IDEs help programmer write and test code. The answer is true. An IDE is integrate development environment, provides tools like a code editor, debugger, and compiler application. Debugger there are programming's more efficient. Number 15. The system out print open parenthesis is used to take an output from the user. The answer is false. System out print open parenthesis input the print's message value to the screen. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.